The Transatlantic Network is about bringing together young people from both sides of the Atlantic. These are people who may have completely varying opinions about some of the big global issues of our time.
The idea, first of all, is very unique in the sense that bringing together 30 emerging leaders from all across Europe and different parts of America is something that doesn't happen enough.
There's so many stories that are being told, so many cultures that are being represented, so many people from just very diverse backgrounds.
We're going to create the conditions for people from different countries to meet in the mind, meet in the body.
You can talk to artists and entrepreneurs and business people.
We have very different views of the world, but we can construct something together.
This conference is helping us to, to really explore not just what we believe, but why we believe it.
The network has kind of a vision, what a transatlantic relation should look like in the future.
I had the impression that there's not much conversation, for example, in my personal surrounding and professional surrounding about transatlantic relationship.
As an American, it's been pretty apparent in recent years that the transatlantic relationship has started to fall apart a little bit.
I think because there is a gap, and I think that our generation needs to come together to discuss issues.
We need to close the gap. That Atlantic Ocean needs to be a small pond, and we're going to do that. We're going to make it a small pond.
Together with some other people, you are by far more enthusiastic and motivated to work for the better good.
Speak to people who have a totally different view on life that I have,
I mean, with all those brains around the room, I think it's a very good idea to put them together and come up with some not solution, but a set of actions.
The impact it can make is truly global. We are all entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are people that rearrange resources to change the world.
The world's not going to change overnight, but at least we'll be taking positive steps in the right direction.
I think that the topic that needs to be focused on is the transatlantic network.
Some of the issues that we spoke about are issues that affect the entire world, not just transatlantic relations.
Politics and democracy, migration and immigration,
free trade versus protectionism,
racial issues,
or security,
terrorism,
religion,
Islamophobia,
identity,
space,
civil rights.
There are endless possibilities for directions that we could take, and I think a lot of the topics and projects that we will cover will evolve over time.
I gained what I think the British Council always sets out to accomplish, which is to bring people from different backgrounds together. I think they've been very smart in identifying this transatlantic drift as a major public issue that deserves to be addressed.
I think when you're placed outside of your comfort zone, you're open, because you have no choice but to be open to things.
I've really, I think, expanded my horizons.
For me, it's been a life-changing experience.
I've met new people that probably I wouldn't have met in other situations.
And some of the people that I've met from Europe through this program, there's no doubt in my mind I'm going to be friends with them the rest of my life.
Some friends.
Some great dancing in Berlin.
Really positive and is energetic and is passionate.
Challenging and engaging.
It's fantastic.
It's a very good thing, yeah.
generation, the people born in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, can change the world, and we must change the world.